is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. That is right, guys, we went back out to Mexico. First of all, before we get started with the video, I'd love to go ahead and thank all you guys that are subscribed or watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for the support, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I have a 2019 Camaro SS, and it is got pretty good NA build with the heads, cam, full bolt-ons on E85. But I also have a nitrous system on the car as well to really help me kind of get up to that next level. And the car's done really well. The car we went to the track a few days before, and it actually ran a 10.0 at about almost 140 at the track, which is really good, very impressive for this weather this summer, and just overall has been running very impressive. But we went out to a meet last night and got in a bunch of runs. Everyone was really nice, and it was just a good time out there in Mexico, and show you guys the runs. So the very first run we had was versus what I believe sounded like a PROCHARGED 5th gen. It looked really nice, had drag pack, all that good stuff. Very nice, clean car. And as you guys saw in the video, the car did amazing. As soon as the nitrous hit, I mean, it just jumps out and starts pulling. So we took the W on that one. Then we ran a cam and full bolt-on CTSV, and that car is a really nice car. It was the same thing. Like I said, the nitrous just hits a different way and just makes the car launch out. And we were able to pretty much just constantly kind of pull on that car, on the nitrous. I think that car is going to be a good run without the nitrous, based on kind of the trap speeds that they're expecting. They haven't taken it to the track, but it'd probably be a good run versus the Camaro without the spray. Then, as you guys just saw, I ran a 6th gen, which had heads, cam, the HIGHRAM, basically a pretty max effort full build. Had higher compression milled and ported heads, and he did have a passenger full weight. Obviously I took out my seat and didn't have a passenger, also didn't have my rear muffler, so I'm sure that attributed to some of it. But I did talk with the owner beforehand and told him I'd love to get a NA run. So I turned the nitrous off for that, and we went ahead and did 2 runs, a 50 and a 55. The 50 you guys saw, and then the 55 I didn't get to record. But both times, I mean, I was able to just jump out as well, and take the W on that one. Then we ran the green 6th gen Camaro, and that was a heads, cam, E85 and D1X PROCHARGED build. Sounded really awesome. I mean, there's something about that ProCharger sound, guys. It's really, really nice. But we were able to get a really good run with him and basically pull all the way through. 1, 2, 3. Then we ran a really, really fast Subaru STI. That thing was quick, brake boosting, and that one we ran twice. The first clip you guys saw, he was braking through, and I think he pushed through his brakes and ended up kind of taking off right a little bit earlier, but still it was a good run. And then the second run we had a little bit more room, and I want to say we were pretty much even the whole run, consistently having to switch lanes a little bit, but we're pretty much even throughout most of that run. Then, after the STI, we ran the 240 2JZ swap, which you guys have seen on the channel before in some of my previous Mexico racing videos, which I will link up around here. And this time, last time we ran, I was on a 100 shot and full weight. And you can see in the previous videos, the 240, I would jump out, but then the 240 would quickly just reel me in and just blow right by my doors. This time the car is on the 150 shot, of course, and I had a little bit of weight reduction, so we went and redid the runs again, and it was right about what we expected. I would jump out a little bit, and then this time I would actually kind of be able to maintain somewhat up until the very, very top RPM, top mile per hour, where the 2JZ 240 would start kind of pulling and getting in front of me. We did the 50 roll, and then the 50 roll I'm able to start in second. 60 roll I had to do it in third, and you guys can see what difference that makes just from having to rev out versus being already close to the top of the RPM range. And then, of course, you guys just saw some little clips of me joining in on the race between the 240 and the green Camaro, and also that 240 running a bike. So that just kind of gives you some perspective on how quick these cars are, guys. Really, really awesome. Had a great time, and gotta say, the Camaro always keeps, surprising me and impressing me. It ran really, really well. And definitely, I'm sure, turned some heads with just how well the car was doing. What do you guys think of the runs? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Does it sound good, or is the car performing well? What are your thoughts? I'd like to know in the comments down below. But anyways, guys, those are just some of the fun stuff that we get to do out here living so close to Mexico. And had a great time, and I hope you guys enjoy your day, morning, whatever, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.